Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing scope and locking format so you can work fast. Once chosen, create a dated file name and a top-level header that states scope and version. Next, assemble core sources into one folder and capture key metadata: who, when, where, so entries aren't guesswork later. Start the first chronological entries immediately. Write a concise dateline, a one-sentence summary, and a linked source. This gets you moving and prevents scope drift as you expand. Now you structure and populate the middle. Sequence entries by ISO date so sorting is automatic. You should write each entry with a short lead sentence, context paragraph, and a citation note explaining why the item matters. Once done, add tags and cross-references to connect related events and include version notes if you revise content. Make sure to capture verbatim quotes and attach scanned documents or timestamps so verification is trivial later. This preserves provenance as the file. Finish by cleaning entries, standardizing style, and creating a clear changelog that records edits and who made them. Then export final versions: one editable master, a PDF snapshot for archiving, and at least one offsite backup. Once saved, set a simple maintenance routine, weekly or monthly reviews, and automate backups. If you encounter mismatched dates or missing sources, stop editing, recheck the original documents and timestamps, and restore the previous version from backups to avoid corrupting provenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.